First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 48 daily score booster questions, and we are starting with simplifications. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started. The question number 1. 38% of 4500. Percentage and double zeros are cancelled. 38 into 45. We write this as a 19 into 2 into 45, which will be 90. 19 times will be 171 and 0. So the value of this one will be 1710 minus 25% of x equals to 1640. So 1710, this comes this side with minus 1640, we left with 70. 70 equals to 25% is nothing but 1/4 of x. So x value is 70 into 4, which will be 280. So answer is 280. Option C is our answer. Next, second question. Here I can see 2 everywhere. So 283 into 28 plus 2 1 times 2 2 times 2 6 times equals to 2 10 times into x. So I'll write this as 280 plus 3 into 28. 28 times will be 784 and 0 left. 28 3 times 3 8 times 24 3 2 times 6 8 84. So we get 4297 from this plus from this, okay, plus 126. So what we have is 7924 plus 126, which will be 05 and 08858050 all equals to 20x 10x. So we get 805 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next, third one. Here we have 8.008 0.8. This will be 80.8. This will be 800.8. And last one is 0.08. So we have 8 8 and 4. This will be 9 8 8 8 8 9.488. 889. Sorry, here we have 24, means 2 here, 2 means 10, and this will be 9 890.488. So option C is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here 1860 plus 7, wait a second, 4 into, this will be 21 in 21 divided by 100. 7 3 times 0 times 3 times, so we get 3.03. So 4 into 3.03 will be 4 3 times 12.12. So 1860 plus 12.12 minus 41.4. So we have 12.2781. So what we left is 1872.12. This is 41.4. So we have 2. This will be 7 0 3 8 1 3 0 72.72. Option A is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here the LCM of all the 3 is 330 in the denominator. So 10 33 times, 9 33 times will be 9 into 33, and 3 times 27, and 11 times means sum of these two, which will be 297 plus 11 30 times, 33 times will be 90 plus 15 22 times, 22 7 times, 22 7 times will be 14, and 11 times will be 154. So 154. Totally we get, this is unit digit 1, and have 10 19 24 5 541 divided by 330. So it is 330, 1 times is 330, and left with 1 1 2 divided by 330. So answer is 1 211 divided by 330. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question. First we need to stick the symbols. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. So we need to find the values. 5 becomes 4 means 5 one times is 5 and subtraction of these two we get a 4. Okay. 5 and 1 are the roots here. Here 40. 8 5 times is 40 and 8 5 plus we get 13. So now by comparing these two it is clear that x is less than or equals to y. Second question. Here first we need to see minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here also minus and plus the roots are in positive. 195. I know this as a 13 15 times is 195 and we got 28. 323. 19 17 times is 323 and we got 36. Now by comparing these two it is clear that x is lesser than y. Here 2 into 40 which will be 80. 80 means wait a second, before that we need to check the roots symbols. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here plus and plus means the roots are in negative. Now by comparing x is greater than y, so we don't need to find the root values. Here we have x square value is 9409. 9409 means so x square value is 9409. So x value will be it is the cube value of 97, square value of 97. So answer for this one is plus 97 and minus 97. Here we get this will be 9 0 4 and 9. So y equals to root over 9409. So y value is 97. Now by comparing these two it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, fifth question. Here we have root 3. So 30 divided by root 3 is 30 divided by 3 we get 10. So we need to find the roots for 10 and we need to get 7. By 2 tens is we get 7 and we got 10. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive and we need to place root 3 here. Okay, next in this case root 3 here, so 18 divided by 3 which will be 6. So 6 means 3 2 times is 6. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Root 3 is here and root 3 is also here. Now by comparing these two it is clear that the 3 root 3 comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation can be established in between these two equations. Next we are going to see wrong number series questions. Wrong number series. Here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 23. Here the difference is 37. Here the difference is 48. Here the difference is 60. I know these numbers are 12 factors. 12 1 times 12, 4 times 12, 12 5 times. So it must be 12 2 times and this must be 12 3 times. So these are wrong numbers. So in between them, which is this one, this is our wrong number. Next, we see this one. Here the difference is 13. Here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 14. Here the difference is 13. Here the difference is 13. We see 13 everywhere, but these are not 13s. So it must be 13 and it must be also 13. In between them, this is our wrong number. Next one. Third question. Here we have a difference of 6. Here the difference of 12. Here the difference of 24. Here the difference of 50. Here the difference is 94. 6 double times is 12. 12 double times is 24. 24 double times which must be 48. 48 double times will be 96. So these are our wrong numbers. So this is our wrong number. Next, fourth one. Here it is clear that this is into 6 times. 45 6 times is 270. I know these two numbers. So next, here it must be into 5 times will be 0. 5 times 35 135. So it is into 5 times. 6 times 5 times, so it must be into 4 times. 0 0 12 14 5. So it must be 5400, not 5600. 5400 into 3 times, which will be 12 5, 15, 16. So this is our wrong number. It is into 2 times. Okay, this is our wrong number. Next, fifth question. Here in this case, we see the differences. Here the difference is plus 81. Here the difference is minus 72. These are 9 factors. Let's see this one. Here the difference is plus 63. Here the difference is minus 56. Here the difference is minus 47. These are 9 factors. So these are not the 9 factors. So in between these two, this is our wrong number. Next, we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Here we see that it is into 2 times plus 1. It is into 2 times plus 2. It is into 2 times 64 plus 3 times. It is into 2 134 plus 4. So it must be into 2 plus 5. So we get 2 times 16, 2, 3 times 6, 7, and 2 plus 5, which will be 281. So answer will be option B, 281 is our answer. Next, second question. Here it is, the differences between these two is 10. Here the difference is 13, wait, it is 18. Here the difference between these two is 54. Let's take the difference, double difference is 8 here. We take 10 here, we get 28. Next we take 12, we get 40. So the next one is 14, we get 54. So this is the correct sequence. 33 plus 28 will be 61. 61 plus 40 will be 101. So answer will be 61. Option D is our answer. Next, third question. Here we see this is into 3 times. 3, 8 times 24, 3 times 9, 11. Okay, 114. So it is clear that it is into 2 times, and it is into 3 times, which will be 4 and the 8 is 684. So into 3 times, so it must be into 2 times, which will be 8, 16, 12, 13. 1368 is our answer. Option C is our answer. This is into 3 times. Option C is the answer. Fourth question. Here you see this is 24 square, this is 16 square, this is 18 cube. So squares and cubes here, so it must be 20 square, it must be 22 cube. Yes, it is 20 cube, 22 cube, and this is 26 cube. So here the place of error 20 square, which is 400. Answer is, our answer is option C, 400. Next, fifth question. Here we see it is 13 becomes 68, means into 5 times, which will be 30, 35, 38, 5, 68 plus 10. Okay, it is into 3 becomes 13, means into 4 times, 8, 16, 12, 13, 1368 plus 8. So it must be into 3 plus 6. It is into 2 plus 4, into 2 plus 2, into 1 plus 2. So 54 2 times will be 108. 108 plus 4 will be 112. 112 3 times will be 336 plus 6, 342. So answer is 112. Option B is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Let's see these inequalities. The concept we use for inequalities is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see our first question. The flow from y to o with everywhere equals to, from y we can reach to m but not able to reach to o. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from t to f, from t we can reach to m but not able to reach to f. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see second question. The flow from G to Q. From G we can reach to Q is possible. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, the flow from O to H. From O there is no flow to H. So second conclusion will be false. Third question, the flow from T to X. From T there is no flow, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from S to C with everywhere equals to. From S there is no flow, so second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see question number 4, the flow from F to K. From F we can reach to E but not able to reach to K, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to E. From Y we can reach to E is possible, so second conclusion is true. Fifth one, the flow from Y to K with everywhere equals to. From Y we can reach to U but cannot able to reach to K, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from U to J. From U there is no flow to J, so second conclusion is also false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question, only honey is sugar, so sugar is inside honey and doesn't share with anything except honey. No honey is jaggery. Few jaggery is salt, means some jaggery is salt. Let's see conclusion. Some sugar can be salt. Sugar can be salt. Sugar doesn't share with anything except honey, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, no sugar is jaggery. Some part of sugar can share with jaggery. Some part of sugar can share with jaggery. No, it is not possible. Some case not possible means no case will be true. Next, second question, some sun is moon. Some sun is moon. Wait a second. Some sun is moon. Only star is a meteor. Few moon is star, means some moon is a star. Only star is meteor means meteor is inside a star and doesn't share with anything except star. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion, all star can be sun. All star can place inside sun. It is not possible because of meteor. Meteor doesn't share with anything except star, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some meteor is moon. Some part of meteor is sharing with moon. No, it is not possible because meteor shares only with the star, so second conclusion is also false. Now we are going to see question number 3. Every planet is Earth, means all planet is Earth. Some Earth is not Jupiter. Some part of Earth is not Jupiter. Let's see conclusions. No planet is Jupiter, means we check some planet can be Jupiter, some planet can share with Jupiter. Yes, it is possible. Some case possible means no case will fails. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion, some plant is Jupiter, some part of plant is sharing with Jupiter. It is basic conclusion and there is no direct relation between planet and Jupiter. So the second conclusion is false. But here we see it is positive statement and it is negative statement. We have same words in suffixes and prefixes. So the answer for this one is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Okay. Now we are going to see question number 4. Only book is copy. So copy is inside a book and doesn't share with anything except a book. Some book is cardboard. Only a few book is register. Only a few book is register means like this. Let's see conclusions. Some copy can be register. Some part of copy sharing with a register. Is it possible? No, it is not possible because copy shares only with the B book. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all register is not cardboard. Here we see not, so we check all register can be cardboard. All register can place inside cardboard. Yes, it is possible. All case is possible means all not case will be fails. Okay. Now we are going to see final fifth question. No peacock is sparrow. All sparrow is pigeon. No pigeon is hen. Let's see conclusions. All hen being a sparrow is a possibility. All hen can be placed inside S is a possible. No, it is not possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some peacock is not a hen. We see not here. So we check all peacock can be hen. All peacock can be placed inside hem. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Now we are going to solve a reasoning puzzle. Let's see this puzzle. Six persons are having exam on 6 different days, week starting from Monday and ending on Saturday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For Saturday only, okay. They have exams on these days. Okay, let's note the rough statements. All the above information is not necessarily in the same order. Two persons have exam between Gopal and Fiza. Gopal and Fiza, in between there are two people. Jayant does not have exam on Saturday. Jayant does not have on Saturday. Next, more than one person has exam between Jayant and Kapil. Jayant and Kapil, in between more than one person has exam. Not more than two people have exam between Jayant and Gopal. Jayant and Gopal, in between, not more than two means there must be no people in between them, or maybe one person, or maybe two persons in between J and J, but not more than two persons are in between J and J. Okay. Gopal, who has exam on Thursday. So Gopal has exam on Thursday. Let's take two possibilities. Okay, as many persons has exam before between Fiza and Ria. F and R. As many between Ria and Kapil. So as many between Ria and Kapil. So this is a sequence. Okay. We have completed our statements. Now we need to find the solution of our puzzle using these rough statements. So we have G here. From G we can write F. So the only place for F is this one. So this is completed. This one is completed. Now if we have F, we can place R and K. If we place R here, we can place K here. Or else if we place R here, we can place K here. So these are the two possibilities we have. So this one is also completed. Next, J and G in between only 0, 1, 2 are okay, or else J and K in between more than one person. Here it is K. So the only place for J is here. Here it is K. So this is the only place for J. Here in our statements it is clear that J does not sit at Saturday. J does not has exam on Saturday. So this case fails. So only we left with what we left is in our questions Harmita. Haritma is the last one who left. So this is the place for Haritma. So this is the solution we got from our puzzle. So let's see the questions that are asked. How many persons have exam between Jayant and Kapil? Jayant and Kapil, 1, 2. Two people have exam. Option C is our answer. Next, second question. Who among the following persons has exam just before Kapil? Just before Kapil, Gopal has exam. Option A is the answer. Who among the following person has exam on Tuesday? On Tuesday, Jayant has exam. Option C is our answer. Next, fourth question. Wait a second. Fourth question. How many persons has exam before Fiza? Before Fiza, there is none. Option E is our answer. Next, fifth question. Which of the following combination is true? Monday Jayant. No. Saturday Ria. Saturday Ria. No. Tuesday Fiza. No. Friday Kapil. Friday is Kapil. True. So option D is our answer. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.